Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be a nighttime cleaning. As y'all can see, my kitchen is a hot mess. Like, I got stuff everywhere, from the table, the counter, even a mountain of dishes sitting over here in the sink. So I got a lot of stuff that I need to, put away, wipe down, and the rest I'm, throw away. So I just got done braiding my daughter's hair, so that's why y'all see hair products all over the living room. I even had extra hair left over. So I'm about to put that away so the hair be getting everywhere. Cause I even got a hairball like right there. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do, because it bothers me to have my place messy anyway. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it up tonight, so I don't have to, worry about it in the morning. Cause it just feels good to wake up to, a clean kitchen. So I want to say hey to those of you that are new to my channel. My name is Angelica, and I thank y'all for checking out my channel, whatever. And I hope y'all would stick around. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video, and I hope y'all enjoy. So yeah, this little orange towel, I got it from the Dollar Tree, and it's supposed to be like super absorbent, like those little ShamWows they used to show on the TV commercial. So
it works pretty good with, like drying, the sink out, and, getting, water off the counter or whatever. And it will cut down on like using a lot of paper towels. So yeah, only for $1, it works pretty good.
So y'all, lately I've been enjoying this Little Women Atlanta. Y'all can see I got it playing in the background. I can relate, to it because I'm, short myself. Even though I'm taller than most of them on the show, I just know how it is being short. Because when I was younger, I used to get teased, for being small and short. So, I can relate to it in, that way. But, I just like watching the show in general because I just think, it's funny, and, they got their own like, dramatic ways, whatnot. So, I just enjoy watching it.